Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account. To begin, simply navigate to the official PayPal website on your computer or mobile device. Look for the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will start your quick account registration process. It sets the foundation for secure online transactions. Now, select the Personal Account option, perfect for everyday use and online shopping. You will be prompted to enter your basic personal details, including your full name and a valid email address. Remember to create a strong, unique password for maximum security, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, input your mobile phone number for verification, which helps protect your account. Next, connect a payment method to your new PayPal account. You can securely link either a bank account or a debit or credit card. This step is essential for sending money and making purchases with ease. To enhance your security, we highly recommend activating two-factor authentication, adding a critical second step to your login process. This helps safeguard your financial information effectively. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now fully set up and ready to use. You can immediately begin sending money to friends and family or paying for goods and services online. Enjoy the flexibility of making secure purchases at hundreds of thousands of merchants worldwide. For ultimate convenience, download the PayPal mobile app to manage your funds from anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.